So, yeah, I apologize about my last frustration with posting. It kind of took me a long time to set up, and I'll show you what my setup is at the end of the conversation. I just wanted to get you a nice outside shot of the meadows with Pippi frolicking in the background. She's fat. She doesn't frolic that often. So, thought that would have been nice. Um, in regards to the concert last night, yes, very, very nice. Very nice concert. Loved it. Loved every second of it. Did not play, as I told you previously in text. Did not play the songs necessarily that I wanted to hear. Um, but a couple of them, I'm still wearing my outside goggles because it has, I was trying so hard to be outside all day. I did get a concert t-shirt, and this is actually turning to kind of a humorous. I don't know what she's doing. Um, I got a concert t-shirt, which I never do. I'm not one of those bitches. And it simply says, "Good morning, sun. I am Bird." Now, originally, when I brought this out, I would have liked to have had the bird on my shoulder, but she is now right here. There she is. Being the bitch face that she always is, I think she knows she's on camera. Being very shy. Very shy. Okay. It's alright now. And really, what bullshit is it that the Russian saw Ben, if that's even really his name, in the elevator on the way up to the hotel room? How does that happen? But it did. Oh, shit. This is why I do not allow Bird outside of her cage. She just pooped on my couch. Now she's coming back over. Give me 1 second. I'll put her on camera. She feels shame for her actions, I'm pretty sure. Yes. So, yeah, that was crazy. Very crazy. Lost a lot of money at the casino last night. Not that crazy for me. Not at all. Um, I really enjoyed a lot, a lot. You're posting, or you're sending me the eHarmony cat lady. Love her. Love her. She loves cats. Um, it made me laugh so hard I started crying. So that's always a good thing. You brought me joy. And then I had to share it. Pretty much everyone around my office. But I had to call them in individually to my office to watch it. Just so I could gauge their reactions. All pretty much the same. The bird's biting me. Um, get over here. You're fine. Get over here. Um, I'm going to go ahead and I've moved my outdoor. I don't even know what you want to call this. It's a setup to be able to record something from a BlackBerry, but it's so ridiculous that yeah, I really don't even have any words to describe it. So, um, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pan into that. You'll see Pippi sleeping like a little fat fuck that she is. I have to bring Bird back across because she's also being a little bitch face. This is my life. Are you ready? There's Pippi. And there is my setup. There is my setup for the outdoor conversation to try to get the perfect shot. It is my chair, and then a picture of some sort that I had in my garage, and then if I zoom in closer, you'll notice it's you sitting in a shopping cart, and I have it in a frame in my house. That's what I do.